Hi everyone, this video is on multiplying surds. So we're gonna do a quick few examples. So for example, I've got here root 2 times root 3, and what I will do is just multiply the numbers under the surd, the square root sign. So root has the same as root 2 times root 3, like that, which is root 6. Now this cannot be simplified, so I'll leave it as it is. Here's another example. I'll have root 12 times, let's say, root 6, and that'll give me root of 12 times 6, which is square root of 72. But here I can simplify this. Now remember, as I told you early on, 72 is the same as 2 and 36, and we can do 2 and 18, and then 2 and 9, and 3 and 3. There's a few ways you could do this, so I'll just split the board into two. So square root 72 could be written as square root 72 equals a long list of numbers, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Then we can identify the square numbers. That's square root of 4 times 3 times 9, and we can get the square root of 4 out, which is 2. We can get the square root of 9 out, which is 3, and then multiply by the square root of 3, which gives us 6 root 3. But those of us who can identify the square numbers, we can say, okay, square root of 72 is the same as square root of 36 times 2, 36 being a square number, and then we can do square root of 36 is 6 root 2. Both ways you get the answer. Okay, now we can also expand surds, so I'll show you an example. So for example, if I have two brackets and I have like square root of 2 plus square root of 4, plus 4 times square root 2 minus minus 4. In order to expand this, just use the sort of FOIL method, or expanding the brackets like we normally do. So first thing I'll do is square root 2 times square root 2, which will give me square root of 4. Then I would do square root 2 times minus 4, so that'll be minus 4 root 2. Then I would do these two, multiply these two, 4 times root 2, so that'll be plus 4 root 2. And you don't need to draw these arrows, I'm just using these arrows to explain to you what I'm doing. And then 4 multiplied by minus 4, positive times negative is negative, so that's minus 16. And then these two here, minus 4 root 2 and plus 4 root 2, they're going to cancel out. So square root of 4 is going to be 2. These two will cancel out, minus 4 root 2 and plus 4 root 2. So that's going to be 0, and then it's going to be 2 minus 16. And 2 minus 16 is minus 14. And that would be your answer to this expansion here. So that's how you would expand two brackets which involve surds. And if you've got something like this, say square root of 3 plus 5 whole squared, all you would do is make a double bracket, square root of 3 plus 5 times square root of 3 plus 5, and repeat the same process. So root 3 times root 3 is root of 9, root 3 times 5 is 5 root 3, Now 5 times root 3 is 5 root 3. 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, square root of 9 is going to be 3. 5 root 3 and 5 root 3, I can add them up. That'll give me 10 root 3. And the 25 is there. Now I can add the 25 and 3 to give you 28. So that'll give you 28 plus 10 root 3. And that's how you would expand that bracket. And that's it for this video. Hopefully I'll put some more videos on surds later on. Take care for now. Bye.